guys, so we have here a first generation crew cab 4-door Tacoma, and so what we're going to do is we're going to install this set of RockSlider that I built for my buddy here. So I'll show you. This is how we prep them. She's already grinded off, however you say it, over here as well. I grind off this side here down. Okay, so we're gonna install the RockSlider set here, and I'll show you how it looks like after it's done. She's gonna look really beautiful. So this is how she looks like. She's welded on. You can see the RockSlider. It's just peeping out. Doesn't stick out too far. Just enough to protect the fender flares and the body. Oh, on this side as well. See, it's just hiding behind the wheels. And then this is how she looks like underneath. Let's see, flash on. This is how she looks like. This is how she looks like as well from the rear. And then this is how she looks like underneath. So my buddy, he's gonna paint this when he gets home. So that's that. Is testing the RockSlider that we built for him. Okay, go for it. Long, smooth stroke. So the game here is to jack the car up. Let's pretend we're doing it with a high lift jack, and let's say that we are changing tires. So right now, as it is strong enough to be jacked up at that point with a high lift jack, and we can remove the tire with no regrets. So you can do this on any part of the RockSlider here. If you want to do the rear, you can do the rear as well, but it's going to be a little bit harder because the rear sleeve spring droops down very low. So you're going to have a extra tall high lift jack to lift that rear tire up. And so you can do it on this side and on the other side as well. And so yeah, so what do you think, Tree?
I love it.
You love it? All right. Okay, so not long ago we did his cousin's Tundra, and so he liked it so much he wanted one to be built too. So yeah, that's why we're here today.
rong đi mò ta lo nhỏ ý lên cụ lu trên xe to cụ lu cầm bao của cha có chỉ bỏ cụ bao tia có gió chỉ ta lo chỉ để nó chỉ mua ý đâu sơ cha mà nó cụ nhỏ ý lên cụ ở đã chỉ lo họ cha chỉ sống cụ lu xe cho chỉ tao có gió cây lu kia muốn gió có từ lo có gió cây lu nhau buồn chua xe 我孤